Want a cleaner home without cords, noise, or hassle? Our video to the best cordless vacuums helps you find the right balance of suction power, runtime, and maneuverability. We compare brush roll designs for carpets versus hard floors, filtration for allergies, battery options, charging docks, and handy tools for stairs, cars, and pet hair. Whether you need a lightweight daily crumb buster or a premium stick that replaces your upright, use this shortlist to choose smarter and clean faster, with less effort. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Eureka RapidClean Pro Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. If you want a lightweight cordless vac that actually deep cleans, the Eureka RapidClean Pro makes everyday upkeep faster and less tiring. Its 250-watt brushless digital motor delivers strong, consistent suction, up to 240% more than previous Eureka models, so you lift embedded dust and crumbs from hard floors and carpets in fewer passes. You set the pace with 3 power modes. Use a lower setting for daily dust, bump to medium for high traffic areas, and switch to max when you hit stubborn debris. The 25.2-volt lithium-ion battery gives you up to 40 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning, so you can cover multiple rooms without stopping to recharge. At just 5.3 pounds with 180-degree swivel steering, it glides under furniture and around chair legs, and LED headlights reveal fine debris along baseboards and in dark corners. You'll breathe easier too. A 5-stage filtration system captures fine particles and common allergens to help keep the air fresher while you clean. The washable foam filter cuts down on consumables and keeps performance steady over time. Just rinse, dry, and reinsert. Use it for quick daily crumbs on hard floors, then slow your strokes for deeper carpet passes. Spot a mess on stairs or upholstery? Convert to handheld with the included tools for precise pickup. If you want strong suction, long runtime, and true maneuverability in a cordless stick that's easy to maintain, the RapidClean Pro turns routine cleaning into a shorter, simpler task every time you use it. At number 4, Shark Pet Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. If you want a lightweight cordless vacuum that actually keeps up with busy, pet-friendly homes, the Shark Pet Cordless makes everyday cleanup straightforward. Hypervelocity suction delivers strong pickup on crumbs, fur, and fine dust in high-traffic areas, while Shark's bristle brush roll and optimized airflow transition smoothly from hard floors to carpets, no extra steps. You control the pace of your routine. Get up to 40 minutes of runtime to cover daily zones, then recharge between sessions. When you need flexibility, press a button to convert to a handheld. Use the Pet Multi-Tool to pull hair from upholstery and stairs, and the Crevice Tool to capture debris along baseboards, vents, and tight corners. You'll see more with each pass. Bright LED headlights reveal hidden debris under furniture and along edges, so you don't miss the details. At just 6.9 pounds, with a 21.6-volt battery, it's comfortable to carry upstairs, maneuver around furniture, and lift for above-floor tasks without fatigue. For best results, start on hard floors to trap loose debris, then move to rugs and carpeted paths. Use slow overlapping strokes in high traffic spots and switch to the handheld for targeted cleanups. If you want strong suction, true floor-to-carpet versatility, and easy above-floor reach in a compact design, the Shark Pet Cordless helps you keep every room consistently clean with less effort from you. Number 3. We have the LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. If you want a grab-and-go vacuum that makes everyday cleanup effortless, the LEVOIT Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is built for quick, reliable results. At just 6.2 pounds with a 22.2-volt battery, you glide from hard floors to rugs without fatigue, and the head lays 180 degrees flat to reach under beds, sofas, and toe kicks. You get the runtime flexibility to match your tasks. Up to 50 minutes in eco mode with the crevice or pet tool, about 30 minutes with the main vacuum head, and 12 minutes in turbo for stubborn debris. Use the custom 2-in-1 pet tool to lift hair from upholstery and stairs, and switch to the dusting brush, doubling as a crevice tool for vents, shelves, and tight spaces. Powerful suction tames urgent messes fast, keeping your routine stress-free. You also spend less time on maintenance. The anti-tangle brush is designed to resist hair wrap, so you're not pausing to cut strands from the roller. When you're done, a quick empty keeps you moving. For best results, start on Eco for daily dust and crumbs, then kick up to Turbo only where needed to preserve battery. Note: this vacuum is for dry messes only. Avoid wet spills. If you want lightweight maneuverability, thoughtful tools for pets and tight spots, and runtimes that match real life, this LEVOIT makes daily cleaning faster and easier every time you pick it up. At number 2, BISSELL PowerClean FurFinder Cordless Vacuum. If pet hair hides in every corner, the BISSELL PowerClean FurFinder helps you track it down and lift it fast. A 200-watt motor delivers strong suction across all floors, while FurFinder headlights reveal fine dust and stray strands along baseboards, under furniture, and on upholstery you thought was clean. At just 7.1 pound with a 25.2-volt battery, you move easily from room to room without feeling weighed down. You get the flexibility to clean your whole home. Switch from stick to handheld or high-reach mode to tackle couches, stairs, shelves, and car interiors. Pair the FurFinder tool for stubborn messes. It's engineered to remove up to 95% of embedded pet hair, working up to 2 times faster on soft surfaces so you spend less time repeating passes. You'll spend less time on maintenance too. The tangle-free brush roll is designed to resist hair wrap, so you don't pause to cut strands from the roller. With up to 40 minutes of cordless runtime, you can cover high-traffic areas in a single session, then dock and charge for next time. Self-standing convenience lets the vacuum park upright on its own while you move a chair, answer the door, or swap attachments. If you want powerful pickup, smart illumination, and true versatility in a lightweight design, PowerClean FurFinder makes daily pet cleanup quicker, easier, and more satisfying. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Shark PowerPro Reveal Plus Cordless Vacuum. If you want one cordless vacuum that handles everything from quick crumbs to deep clean days, the Shark PowerPro Reveal Plus is built to make it easy. You get hypervelocity suction for strong, consistent pickup on floors and rugs, plus a self-cleaning brush roll that grabs pet hair without wrapping, so you spend more time cleaning and less time detangling. You'll see what others miss. Dirt Reveal technology and LED headlights illuminate fine dust along baseboards, under furniture, and in dark corners. Floor Detect senses the surface and automatically adjusts brush roll speed, so you move from hard floors to carpets without swapping nozzles or changing settings. You stay light and agile. At only 7 pounds with a 21.6-volt battery, it's comfortable for whole home cleaning and quick spot jobs. Get up to 40 minutes of runtime. For routine passes, then pop it on the charger so it's ready for next time. The cordless design lets you glide around furniture and upstairs without trailing cords. Use it daily for crumbs, pet hair, and tracked-in grit. Slow down for a deeper pass when weekends roll around. Start on hard floors to capture debris, then move to area rugs and high-traffic carpeted zones. If you want powerful suction, smart surface sensing, and zero hair wrap convenience in a lightweight package, the PowerPro Reveal Plus keeps every room feeling freshly cleaned with less effort from you. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which cordless vacuum you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.